What is FDA registration? Everything companies must know to sell in the U.S. Every day, food, medical devices, cosmetics, and other regulated products enter the United States from companies all over the world. But before these products can legally be sold in the U.S., most companies must complete an important compliance step known as FDA registration. This process is required and enforced by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. FDA registration is how the FDA tracks companies that manufacture, process, pack, hold, or distribute regulated products in the United States. It allows the FDA to monitor facilities worldwide, respond to safety issues quickly, conduct inspections when needed, protect public health. In simple terms, FDA registration tells the government who is responsible for products on the U.S. market. FDA registration applies to many industries, including food and beverage manufacturers, dietary supplement companies, medical device manufacturers and distributors, cosmetic manufacturers and processors, foreign facilities exporting to the U.S. If your product falls under FDA regulation, registration is usually required, whether you're located in the U.S. or overseas. There isn't just one FDA registration. Depending on your business, you may need food facility registration, medical device establishment registration, cosmetic facility registration under MOCRA, drug or supplement facility registration. Each has different requirements, renewals, and compliance rules. This is where many companies become confused and make costly mistakes. Without proper FDA registration, shipments can be held at ports, products can be refused entry, sales may be stopped, companies can face enforcement actions, future shipments can be flagged. Many businesses lose thousands of dollars simply because registration was done incorrectly or not renewed on time. While some FDA systems are technically free to access, registration is not just typing information into a website. It requires correct facility classification, accurate product categories, regulatory understanding, ongoing renewals and monitoring, compliance with changing FDA rules. One small error can trigger serious delays or FDA scrutiny. That's why successful companies work with FDA compliance experts. And that's where FDA registration assistance comes in. We specialize in helping companies worldwide register correctly with the FDA across food, cosmetics, medical devices, supplements, and more. When you partner with FDA registration assistance, we determine exactly what registrations you need, complete all FDA filings accurately, provide U.S. agent services for foreign companies, manage renewals and deadlines, support ongoing compliance, help prevent shipment delays and FDA issues. We make FDA compliance simple, accurate, and stress-free. With proper FDA registration in place, products enter the U.S. smoothly. Regulatory risks drop. Buyers trust your business. Inspections are easier to manage. Your company grows safely. Instead of worrying about compliance, you focus on building your business.
Frequently asked questions.
Is FDA registration required for most regulated products? Yes. Most food, medical device, cosmetic, supplement, and regulated product companies must register. Is FDA registration a one-time process? No. Many registrations require annual or biennial renewals. FDA registration assistance manages this for you. Do foreign companies need FDA registration too? Yes, and they usually must appoint a U.S. agent, which FDA registration assistance provides. Does FDA approve products when you register? Registration is not approval, but it is legally required to operate in the U.S. market. FDA registration is the foundation of doing business in the United States for regulated products. Done wrong, it leads to delays, losses, and risk. Done right, it creates smooth market access and long-term success. Let FDA registration assistance handle your FDA registration professionally, from start to ongoing compliance. Register correctly, stay compliant, Grow with confidence.